To the great community of TBians. This is an update. Now, in case you were looking forward to be added to the National Assembly and you've not been chosen, and you still want to belong to an assembly, there is this task you have to do to your preference, right? You log into your back office, you click on the menu, you click on assembly, marketing, you click on assemblies. So you click on it as this, you log in to the assembly page and you click on edit preferences. Edit preferences. So here you are. By default, I am interested in assemblies in mine. You see, by default it has selected national or your country. Unfortunately, you have not been chosen. Maybe the national leader has chosen his 30 members or her 30 members already, but you want to belong to assembly. You can select the state or city so that at least you can have an assembly to belong to, right? So now with this one, unfortunately I didn't fall into the National Assembly, so now I'm going to choose state or province. So after clicking on it, you come here, update. So you click on the update. Your information has been updated, so you click on OK. So you are done. You can go there and check. You see it has moved from national to assembly. Okay, so now you wait and see. Maybe in the course of time you'll be added to the 30 members within the state, or if you want to belong to the state, you click the state or you click the city. Okay, any area you want to belong to. In case you did not fall into the national, you can belong to the state or the city, but you have to go to your profile, that is preferences, and then make the changes. Okay, thank you.